Ma, this is my birthday gift dress for you. Okay? Oh, ayan na. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know what time it is there now, but I just got off from work. Ma, happy birthday. How young are you? Okay, Ma. I wish you enjoy your day. Sana maging masayang-masaya ka. Alam ko naman, kahit na nandito lang ako, andyan pa rin ako. My spirit is there. I want to join you, but I can't. I can be physically absent, but I am mentally present. Di pa ako luka-luka. Malapit na. No, ma, nag-enjoy lang. I just want to enjoy, and I want you to enjoy also. To my brothers and sisters, thank you for doing this event. Let's love one another. Magtulungan tayo. Ang hinihingi ko lang sa inyo, para sa akin, just pray for me, to be stronger. Ano pa ba? To be healthy and beautiful. As you can see, dami kong admirers. Dami kong flowers. Anyways, to my grandkids, Kim, Ken, and Kate, I love you. Kahit na ganyan daddy nyo, batukan nyo na lang. No, nagjo-joke lang eh. Pero, loves na loves kayo ni daddy nyo. And, of course, I love you more. Sana, Facebook tayo, chat tayo. Kim, kung pwedeng bawasan ang mga fats dyan, medyo konting diet, but just be healthy. Ken, bawasan ng kabaitan, parang medyo ka mabait na mabait. Kate, oh sige, be more beautiful, like me. Oh, sige na, parang nawala na sa circulation si mama. Ma, hindi talaga. No, kidding aside, I love you, ma. Kung ano man ang pwede kong itulong sa inyo, just, give me a call. I'm just one finger away. Yabang ko naman, ano. Basta ingat, iwasan na magkonsume. And to my brothers and sisters, bawasan nyo naman ang pagbibigay ng konsumisyon kay Mama El. Let's all be happy. Kahit na mahirap lang tayo, we still manage to, always thank God, love God, put Him first in your mind and in your heart. Pray always, not to think, not just to think, not just to ask, but ask and thank. Be grateful, praise God. And ako, I just surrendered myself to Him. Kaya eto, shining, morning glory, kahit galing ng duty. O, tinan mo, may muta pa ba? Pero hindi, kasi nakapag-shower na ako. So, anyways, I love you all. This is it for now. I miss you all. I miss you all. I wish I could see you pretty soon. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. Nawala na tuloy yung mga guest. Hindi bale? Paano ko na lang ulit sa ano?
I-edit pa nila yan. E di habol mo. To all the... Video na yan. Mama para sa'yo. Ayan, ganda.
Mama, this is for you.
This flowers for you.
Flowers for you, Mama. From me and Papa Ding. Okay. Love you. Sige na. Tama na.
Ihabol mo na yun.
Patayin mo na.